Who was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in 1903? The right option is Marie Curie was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in 1903. In which year the famous Berlin Wall fell? We have options 7th November 1989, 8th of November 1989 or 9th of November 1989. The right option is 9th of November 1989. Chemical element Au stand for which element? We have three options: silver, aluminium or gold. The right option is gold. Smallest planet in our solar system is? Among the options we have Mercury, Venus or Saturn. The right option is Mercury. Official name of the portrait the Mona Lisa is? La Gioconda, Guernica or the Kiss. And the right option is La Gioconda. What does the yoga term pranayama refers to? We have options: physical posture, breathing exercise or meditation techniques. Breathing exercise. Thank you very much for watching. For more updates and tutorials, please subscribe the Study of MCQs on the following platforms.